Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am bringing you another daily non-phone work from home job lead. This one has flexible schedules. It allows you to set your own hours and shifts. It is responding to live chat messages and email, completely non-phone. So let's just dive on in. The company, the Hoff, they make business solutions for people who have online presence, online websites to help grow their business with SEO, content, and PPC. They are hiring a remote customer support agent. Now, this is remote within the United States only. They are paying $15 an hour, but this is an entry-level position. They are looking for a customer service rock star to join the remote support team. Daily tasks will include providing the best responses possible or routing for customer inquiries via live chat or email. It does say this is an entry-level work-from-home position, and they do offer 2-week paid training period. Now, this full-time job, 40 hours a week, and it does say the advantages besides working from home is that they have flexible hours. You get to choose your shifts that you work. Outside of being able to choose your own hours, they also provide benefits including health insurance, 401k, and paid time off. They also give a $50 a month wellness focused stipend so you can work on your wellness. You can use that for a gym membership, things like that. So they are looking for someone who is organized, who can be adaptable and comfortable with change, someone who is a people person and likes to please others and make people happy because your end result is resolving the customer's issues. Someone who has great attention to detail. They do need someone who has great customer service skills, someone who can write and speak clearly in English, someone who can, your 2-week training period needs to be between the hours of 9 and 5 Eastern Standard Time. Outside of that, again, you get to choose your own shift. Someone who can have a positive attitude and good computer skills. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.